It's time for a card reading. What is the one thing that we need to know for a happy, successful week? I'm pulling one now. I seem to have pulled several. And the card is Amplify Your Positive Emotions. This week, no matter what's going on, this week can be what you make it. Decide in yourself to be positive, to be a force for love, for forward progressive movement in your life. Decide on one thing you want to accomplish this week, be it business, personal, whatever. Decide on that one thing, make a plan, and go for it. Amplify your positive emotions. It will work out. Everything is working out for you in the best, most positive way. So go into your week, into your plan with that thought. Everything is working out for me. Amplify your positive emotions. In case you didn't get the message, that message was for you. Amplify your positive emotions.